Good afternoon. Yeah, how are you doing? Yeah, good. I think last week we took the alternative A of the 2013 chemistry practical. Do you remember that? Okay, and I said today we are going to look at the alternative B. So that is the question we have on the board. I put the question on the board with a bit of alteration. This on original, this is spiked at 25.00 gram, but because of the concentration I required for today, I made it 10.00 gram. Is that okay? You have water. If you don't have water in your water bottle, please fill it as we go along. But some of you have water in them, so you can pass it around so that you fill it and then we continue. So here you have been told that this is a solution containing 10.00 grams. That is the water there, please. Per dm of Y2SO4. As we don't know what Y2SO4 is, that we asked to find out. Then E is a solution containing 0.025 mole sodium hydroxide in 250 cm³ of solution. You have to note this one because we use it, this particular one of solution. Then we have been told to put B into the burette and titrate it against 25.0 cm³ portions of E using metal orange as indicator. You have metal orange on your benches, please. So you have one to share for all those of you who are following on that bench. So one for this area. Please don't cross over. Okay? Then, as we've been doing always, you repeat the titration to obtain consistent titer values. You tabulate your results and calculate the average volume of B used. One of you asked in the other class, asked how the table is it the way that I've been drawing throughout this while? And I said yes. So make sure that you learn how to draw the table very well. You write your table with your units. If the units do not come, of course, you lose marks. And of course, it should come with the initial and then the final item. Is that okay? Those of you who have not been drawing and then you use freehand, I've told you. Freehand drawing is not allowed. Then of course, after that, you calculate the average titer. Okay. Now the equation has been provided for the reaction. We have Y2SO4 plus 2NaOH going to Na2SO4 plus 2HYO. As I said, we don't know what Y2SO4 is, but of course from the titration you'll be able to know what it is because you have been asked some few questions in there. B says from the results and the information given, we calculate the first one, concentration of Y2SO4 in solution D in mole per dm³. Then after that, we look out for the molar mass of Y2SO4. Then we calculate for the relative atomic mass of Y, percentage by mass of Y in Y2SO4. Then we have been provided with the relative atomic masses. Oxygen is 16.0, sulfur is 32.0. So, as I said, please, you don't have to crowd over one apparatus. Make sure that you just spread yourself. At least for now, you should have 3 of you sharing a setup. So, if you are finished, you can just move around and then just get a place where we have the setup. 3 of you first for now. If maybe we have a number exceeding that, or we don't have enough apparatus, then of course you can move to the other side. So please, yeah, you don't have what? No, I said we are going to use it from here. So we have 2 of the meter orange provided. So when you are in need of it, you just come and then use it. Is that okay? Yeah. Please, I don't want anybody to be, what do you call it, a passive observer. You are supposed to be an active participant in the work that you are doing. This is not the first time you are doing the titration, so make sure that you do it and do it very well. Yes? It's what? It's broken. Yeah, but you can still use it. Once you have the markings there, that will be okay. So, as I said, what I just gave you was 2013 WASI Alternative B. What we did last week and we discussed was WASI 2013 Alternative A. Next week when you can, we'll take the Alternative C. And then afterwards we'll look at the qualitative analysis. Is that okay? Okay. So please, if you are ready, check your beakers. We have the beakers labeled D and E. We have the beakers labeled D and E. So the members, please hold on. The members in the group, please, you come. We have the solutions D and E. Take 150 cm cube, 150 cm cube just of the solution. 150 cm cube of the solution, and then you go and start your practical. If it's been labeled A and B as you got last week, please just use a pencil to relabel it D and E on the B. You can wipe it up and label it D and E. Titration, it shouldn't take you that long. Then of course we start with the calculation. Containing the Y2SO4, and solution E is the one containing 0.025 mole sodium hydroxide in 250 cm cube of solution. What's the solution? No. That's one of the same. Three in a group. Three in a group. When you finish with the filling, you remove the panel and open it up like fill the of the dress. initial reading, we have the titer value. Hey, what are you doing? You have gone past the endpoint. What is the color of the endpoint? What color will you obtain at the endpoint? Yes? Orange. Is that color orange? What color is that? So if you go beyond the endpoint, you get something different. You get a different color, okay? So as you are getting close to the endpoint, you should be very careful. Yes, be careful. Just add one drop. No, this one is, you have gone beyond it. It's too big. Let me see. Yeah, that one is okay. Yes. Put it on the tile. Yeah, that is okay. So, give me your first value. Okay, so the average the titer value will be 12.40. And the final one. So what will be the okay. Okay, so we have the first set of titrations with the values from that group. The final reading we have in centripetal cube 12.40, and it started from an initial value of 0.00. And as I've told you, the direct reading should be recorded in 2 decimal places. So all the values should be in 2 decimal places. Okay. So you are waiting for your third value, then of course you can start with the calculations. Your first value. 30.10. That's a bit too. Your value, your solution was too deep. Second value. Yeah, it's somewhere around 12. So yes, how about you? First value. Okay. Second one. Oh, that's what you are doing. That is the final value. So what is the initial? Initial one is what? What is the titer value? Okay, so this gives us 12.5. So you should also do it to get consistent tightness. I think that color change is a very nice color change. Okay, yeah, that's the orange color. This one is, yeah, you still have some yellowness, some yellow color in there. But just you can show it to them, your friends. That color, gentlemen, that color is This is okay. This is orange. It's a clear indication that that is the endpoint. If you go beyond this one, you get a deeper color. That means that you've gone beyond the endpoint. So you should be targeting towards it. This one is orange. So that is an endpoint. It gives you a clear color change. Are you listening to me? Person. The initial color is yellow. From that color to this particular one. So that is the endpoint. Okay. So draw your table and let us start with the work on this particular question. Yes, when you finish, you arrange your setup the way you met it. Please, you return all unused solutions. Then arrange your setup the way you met it, with the pipette in between the glasswares and then the rectal stand. What is this? Is setting up? Setting good. I am going to check on your table and then the average value. Lenses. I took that your time is too big. Yes. Okay. Continue. You can continue the calculation. The introductory part of the question.